In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Smartsheet. To get started, log into your Smartsheet account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace or organization, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you're in, take a moment to let the dashboard fully load, so all menu options are visible and easy to access. Next, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that icon to open the account menu. From the options that appear, select User Management. This will open a pop-up window where you can manage the people connected to your Smartsheet account. Inside that pop-up, look toward the top and click Add User. A second pop-up window will appear, and this is where you will enter the new team member's details. First, type in the user's email address, since that field is required. Then, if you want to make the invitation a little more organized and easier to identify later, you can also enter their first name and last name. Those name fields are optional, but they're helpful when you're adding multiple users. After that, you'll need to assign the appropriate permissions by checking the correct box or boxes. The available options include licensed user, system admin, group admin, and resource viewer. Since this video is focused on adding an admin team member, be sure to choose the role that matches the level of access you want this person to have. If they need administrative control, select the admin-related option that fits their responsibilities. It's always a good idea to double-check these permissions before moving on, because access levels determine what the user can manage inside the account. Once everything looks correct, click OK. Smartsheet will then send an email invitation to the user you added. They'll need to accept that invitation before they can officially join the account and use the permissions you assigned to them. If they don't appear right away, that usually just means they haven't accepted the invite yet. And that's all there is to it. You've now added a team member in Smartsheet and assigned their access level through user management. If you're inviting someone into an admin role, just remember to review the permission settings carefully so they have the right level of control from the start.